If you feel kind of lost when it comes to Google Ads, if you get this anxious feeling inside every single time you're about to change a setting to your ad campaigns, if you find that your ads are either making money or losing money, but you've got absolutely no control over it and you just feel lost when it comes to your Google Ads, my friends, I know exactly how you feel because I've been there before. My name is Devin Thomas, and 6 years ago, I was a struggling entrepreneur and I just wanted somebody to give me reliable information that I could use to get better results with my Google Ads. And that's exactly why I built this YouTube channel. Now, what we're gonna do here is just give you tips, tricks, strategies, and most of all, reliable information that we know will work right now to get you sales and conversions. And if you're excited to get started, don't worry about it. I've got plenty content for you. You can check out my Google Ads beginners playlist and I'll link it down below. Also, if you're brand new to Google Ads, you don't even know what a Google ad looks like, no problem. I've got you covered. You can check out our Google Ads app for absolute beginners masterclass and I'll link that down below as well. Lastly, if you want to accelerate your learning, if you really want to get the best information and you really want to level up your Google Ads game, check out my Google Ads course. It's including coaching. That means you get one-on-one coaching with me, and I'll link to that, guess where? Down in the description below as well. Either way, I'm so happy that you decided to click on this video, and I'm so happy that you're part of the Neptune Design family, and I promise you this, I am gonna do my best to give you every single piece of valuable information I have on Google Ads so that it can transform your life and your business. I will see you in the next video. Peace.